Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, day-night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, 4-piece floor mat set. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.